absolute fave thing I've found on Boohoo in so long. It makes a perfect back to uni outfit. I'm fully in love with this. Like, hoodie out. I feel like they just make an outfit. So I've been loving these this summer. The perfect fit of joggers. Hey everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're back with another haul. I literally can't stop myself at the minute, but we're back with another huge Boohoo haul. And I have picked up, honestly, some of my absolute favourite things I've ever got from Boohoo in today's haul. I feel like it's such a good one. I'm just so excited about all these things. There's not one thing that I'm going to be returning because I just love everything. So I'm so excited to show you everything I picked up. So I'm going to style everything into outfits that will be perfect for back to uni. So I was thinking like back to uni on a budget because I feel like Boohoo is the perfect place to shop if you are on a little bit of a budget as a student because it's such good value. If you're not a student, if you're not going to college or uni or anything like that, then I feel like these outfits are just perfect for day to day, perfect for the upcoming season. They're like really good transitional autumnal pieces. I feel like the colours, the neutrals are just getting me so excited. Like I feel like it's making me want a pumpkin spice frappuccino. Is anyone else on that vibe? Because I just feel like we're off on a little weekend away now and I feel like a pumpkin spice frappuccino is needed on the way. So if you're new here, I'd love if you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe. That'd mean so much. Obviously if you want to, up to you, but I would love that. And let's just get on with the first outfit. So like I said, everything will be an outfit. So outfit number one we've got going on already. So the first thing is this oversized shirt. I love an oversized like plaid like check shirt. I don't know why, I feel like they just make an outfit. So I've been loving these this summer and I also think these are the perfect things for like transitioning into autumn. So I picked up this one which actually has pastel colours in it, blue, pink and like a neutral. So I feel like it's such a good shirt for autumn. I got this shirt in a size 14. I always size up in shirts. Honestly, if you're going to get a shirt and want it oversized, even if it says oversized, I still size up like however many sizes. So I usually get a size 14 or a 16. I'll even sometimes get them from the plus size section just because they're not even that big. Like I just want it oversized to be able to throw it over anything. So this is the first piece. I would just style it off the shoulders like this. I feel like it's a bit of a vibe. And I also think this is really cool because you can make so many outfits out of it, because you could put blue under it. You could put like that little pinky colour under it, the nude like I have today. So this is the next thing I want to show you. So if you haven't tried the Boohoo Seamless collection, where have you been? It's just the best thing. I have a couple of things in here from that collection because it's one of my faves. It's on the pricier side of Boohoo. I think this was about £10, but honestly the quality, like it's so thick, stretchy, it's so good. So I picked up this little yellow like strappy top, and they do also have this in another style, like a high neck version, but I just love this. I feel like it's the perfect piece to style with any outfit. So the second thing I'm also just so excited about is this little cardigan jumper top thing. I don't know how to describe things clearly, but this is so beautiful, and this would be absolutely perfect for back to uni. Over this little nude top I was thinking, because it does have like little holes, so it is a little bit see-through, so you do need to wear like a little vest or a bralette underneath it. I just think this is so pretty for every day, and again, not too thick, not too thin, perfect for the upcoming season and perfect for uni with some jeans. So I'm gonna put this on and come back to you because I just think this is beautiful. Okay, so this is the little jumper. This honestly is my absolute fave thing I've found on Boohoo in so long. Honestly, it just popped out to me. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. I feel like you could easily dress this up, like maybe even for drinks, because it is so pretty with a little bralette under it, or like I've paired it with just a little top under it. It looks so cute as well. I just love this. I'll be wearing this in uni. You'll be seeing me in lectures walking in with this, with a big coat, some jeans, and you're good to go. Okay, so like I said, I did pick up something else from the Seamless collection. So I want to quickly mention that this is the one I ordered first, and I got this in a size small. As you can see, this is very small, like so small, and it's because they are meant to be like little bralettes. They're not actually meant to be tops, but I've seen everyone on Instagram just styling them up as like little tops like this. I ordered this in a small and it is really small and tight, and then I ordered this cream one in a large. So I would say if you're a size 8/10, if you don't want it to be super fitted and you want to wear a bra underneath it, definitely size up to a size large or a size extra large than a small, because this is honestly so tight. I'm still going to show you it, but if I could pick an option, I would pick the large, if you know what I mean. If I could send this back and get a large, which is probably what I'll do. Okay, so this is the little top on. I do think it is just absolutely beautiful. The colour is just everything I dream about. Like, I just love this colour for autumn. I feel like my friend Amy, if anybody watches TJ Twins, Amy is just obsessed with all the items this colour in Zara. We've been sending them back and forth, so I feel like she's gonna love this, and hopefully you approve. I just love this so much. How I actually imagined this outfit was with these joggers. How beautiful are these? These are the most beautiful nude, like stone colour joggers. Joggers are essential for back to uni. Have a few pairs of joggers, a couple pairs of jeans, and that's literally all I ever wore. Mainly joggers, can't lie, because comfort is key. But I just thought this with the brown, how beautiful is that outfit gonna look? So I'll throw these on for you. I think these are some of my fave joggers I've ever found on Boohoo as well. They're super fluffy inside. They're so well priced, honestly. And I always get my joggers from there in a size 10, and that fits me perfectly. Okay, I've got the joggers on. I've just moved the rail so I can actually stand back and show you them, but they are honestly so comfy. I know I always rave on about things having pockets. They've got the pockets, they're so soft, so comfy. They're just the perfect fit of joggers. Like, I find it so hard to find joggers that fit me nicely around the hips, around the waist, that are baggy in the right areas. These are a dream. Love these so much. So this is what they look like. Hopefully you can actually see those. I rolled up the bottoms just a little bit, just because I prefer like a crop jogger. Again, they've got the pockets, baggy around the thighs, tight around the waist, rolled up and tight around the ankle. Like, what more can we want in a pair of joggers? I just love these so much, my new absolute faves. Okay, so the next outfit I'm literally so excited about. So first up is this hoodie. Everyone needs a white hoodie. I actually don't even own one, so I'm so happy that I actually have one now. I feel like with a tan or just under like a nude coat, a white hoodie is an essential. If anybody isn't shopping on the Boohoo men's section, what are you doing? If you shop on Boohoo a lot and you don't go on the Boohoo men's section, you're making an error, because the Boohoo men's section is my fave. Got this from the Boohoo men's section. It's super fluffy inside, super comfy, fits perfectly. I got this in a size, I think I got it in a size medium. Oh no, I got this in a size large, so definitely I still size up in the men's section. And this is just the perfect little hoodie. So even just paired with these little joggers, makes a perfect back to uni outfit. Just an essential little cute hoodie. It's so comfy, got the pocket here. You can't really go wrong. But I imagine this outfit with the most gorgeous jacket I've ever seen in my whole life. Like, I literally adore this jacket. Like, I just think it's amazing. And I thought, for back to uni, you need a jacket that you can wear in the day, you can wear in the evening. You could dress this up easily for like drinks, or you could just wear it in the day, which I feel like is perfect for September when you don't want to wear like a thick coat, but you want some kind of jacket. So this is the little jacket. Hopefully everyone's feeling the vibe, hopefully everyone's liking it, 'cause I am fully in love with this. Like, hoodie out, just like that. Again, I've rolled up the sleeves. It was down so you can see all the like faux leather, but I like it up so you can just see the white on the inside, and that looks really cool. And I just think this outfit is a little bit of a vibe. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, I mean, I'd love you to come follow me over there. But if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen me pair this outfit together with the next pair of little shorts, which I love. So this is my vision. It was like the neutral hair, the white, and then with these little cycling shorts. Can I just say, the Boohoo basic cycling shorts, softest cycling shorts ever, so comfy, literally such staples. So if you haven't tried them, definitely get them, because I literally have these in like neutral black, loads of colours, and I love them. So I'm going to put these on and show you the whole outfit that I was envisioning. I'm not sure if cycling shorts will be slightly cold for September. I guess we'll have to see what the weather's kind of doing at that point. But I just thought as well, for around the house, you can wear these at uni, for around like lecture halls, whatever you're doing. I just thought these were perfect. Okay, so I've just moved the rail out of the way so I can actually step back so you can see. One thing I will mention about these cycling shorts, just being real with you, is that if you wear any other pants other than like invisible ones, you are going to get like a little bit of a VPL, one of those situations. I felt that's the same with a lot of cycling shorts, but why I paired it with this hoodie is because it's so long, it just covers your bum, covers everything, so it doesn't really matter. This is the vibe I was going for. Hopefully this looks nice on camera, because in the photos it looked really nice, but I just thought this was super cool, like just to wear it to uni. Hopefully you can see, they're just so soft, so comfy. So I feel like a lot of you are gonna love this next outfit, because I'm honestly, this is probably my favourite thing, I'm not gonna lie. This whole set is just absolutely gorgeous. So it's this knitted set which comes with a cardigan and also these like wide leg trousers. I thought this was the perfect outfit for like a shopping day at uni, if you're going out into the town, or literally just for chilling. I would probably just wear this around my house, like chilling. It's like being wrapped in a duvet, like it's so comfortable, knitted all round, so cozy. Just a big fan. So there's these wide leg trousers like this, and they just go super long And then the cardigan as well. The one thing I will mention is I got it in a size medium because for some reason I imagined this fitting really tight. It's the opposite. Like, I wish I got a small because one, it's far too long, and two, it's like a little bit baggy. So I will be sending it back and getting the small. I don't really know what I can do about the length. Like, if anybody has any tips for how to like sew up knit, can you even do that? I'm gonna have to take it up quite a lot because they are quite long, and I'm about 5'5", 5'6", so if you're about my height, they are probably going to be a bit long for you, but I will still wear them regardless around the house. I'm going to check as well if they do have in petite. If they do, I'll link that set down below as well if you are a little bit smaller, because they are long. So this cardigan is just a look pulled down like over your shoulders. I've just kept this little brown top underneath just so like you've got the brown coming through, we've got the neutrals paired together, and I just think this is the most beautiful set ever. I'm getting the tags a bit tangled. I'm not gonna lie, with the cardigan done fully up, it's not really a look. Like, I'll show you. Kind of isn't the vibe I was going for. But with this one undone and like pulled back, so nice. And also with this undone, like the cardigan completely undone, just with a pair of jeans over a little top would be a good outfit. But let me show you the trousers because they're just so cozy. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna be able to see the bottoms. I will insert a picture of me wearing this in case you can't see. But if you can see like this, they are quite long. Like, it's just a little bit too long for me. But other than that, such a beautiful set. Like, I literally do love it. Okay, and then the last thing I got is another hoodie. Again, do we know what section it's from? Boohoo Man, of course. Always get my hoodies from there. This is just so nice. I thought a black hoodie, again, is just a staple for uni. Black hoodie, white hoodie, good to go most days basically. This is in a size large, and I really liked it because it has the man detail across here. This, again, really soft, really comfy, just paired with some jeans is such a nice outfit. So I'll quickly put this on and show you how it looks. But it's just a basic black hoodie really, but I'm a big fan of it. Okay, so this is how the hoodie looks. Obviously I wouldn't wear it with these trousers, but you can just see the fit of it, quite oversized and baggy. Beautiful fit, honestly. Nice little pockets here. I just love this. So there's not really much else to say about it. I would definitely recommend the Boohoo Man hoodies if you're looking for a new hoodie because they're just so soft and comfy and I love them. So that is actually everything I had to show you in today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found some back to uni inspo, some autumnal inspo. I'm loving all these pieces. Like, I literally, the only thing I'll be sending back is the knitted set just to get the smaller one. But other than that, I literally love everything. As always, I'll link everything down below to make shopping a little bit easier. And you can also shop through my link, which is like a personalised link to me, which would be so fab. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have a discount code which is QOC12, and it's actually gone up to 28% off, like nearly 30%, that's so much. And it never used to work on sale items either, and now it's gone up to 10% off sale items, so an extra 10% off sale items, 28% on normal items. So hopefully that can help you out a little bit. So thank you so much for watching this haul. I'm sure there'll be many more coming. There's going to be lots more uni content as well if you do want to stick around and subscribe for that. I'm just so excited for the next month. Autumn is where like I just feel like YouTube content gets so good and cozy and just love it. So thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.